Everyone, welcome to Safe Trading. So today I am here to provide you a very important and unique setup. If you follow this system lifetime, definitely you are going to increase your portfolio. See, whatever I am going to talk here or explain here, that is only real. Going to be the on the basis of real-time data only, right? So this is a well-tested. As you can see, this is a Bitcoin chart, live Bitcoin chart, and we are going to test it on here as well. And also, I will show you the past performance as well. See how this setup is going to be useful to you. The most important thing, you are going to solve your over trading problem if you follow it properly, right? The second thing, it will take care of your psychology. The third thing, the amount which you pay to the broker because of you know emotion trading, extra trading, right? Because of FOMO, whatever the trades you do, that habit you are going to eliminate if you follow this. The fourth thing, there will be a strict stop loss. The fifth thing, as soon as you will get the levels quickly in between, Indian market open around 9 to 9:15, and by 9:10 you will have all the levels of crude oil, natural gas, Nifty. If any stocks you want, you will have both two levels, on which level the market is going to be the bullish and on which level the market is going to be bearish, right? So that kind of levels you will get, right, if you understand the setup and all the things I'm telling you here. Okay, so the five things are there, then the stop loss will be there definitely, and it is going to be, you don't need to watch chart at all. By using only brokerage terminal, you can have the, you can see the market is crossing the level, you can place your stop loss and you can place your targets. You will have all the targets defined there. Okay, and so this is the simple way, right? So it is going to help you in many ways, right? You don't need to watch any charts. And the more important thing, the 7 point is, right, you can apply it on any market, you can apply it on any index, you can apply it on any stocks, and you can apply it on even crypto. On anything you can apply it. The only important thing what you need, that I will take care, you need, whatever the index, what is the opening price, right? Opening price of whatever the entity is, and using that, now we are going towards what the setup is. Okay, so let me explain. See, first I will explain this with this live Bitcoin chart, right? As you all know, I'm not sure if you guys may be knowing it, the Bitcoin daily candle start around 5:30 in the morning, right? Guys, just a minute, I will be back. Okay, so I'm back here now. Yeah, what I was saying, the Bitcoin daily candles start around 5:30 in the morning, and this is 15-minute candle, right? So at 5:30, what is the opening? If you see here, the opening was nearer to 107, 107, 318, right? Yeah, 107, 318. Now, as per my setup, there are two levels we got: bullish above 107, 400, and then bearish below 107, 206. The market has not touched, never went below this level today, and as it has crossed this 107, 400, you see how much point you have got here, right? From 104 to 6 to almost 109, 400. So guys, this is Saturday when I'm making a video. I'm doing an analysis in the morning, right? From the morning we are tracking this trade from 5:30, and we have captured almost around 2000 points Bitcoin by following this level. So what you will get, for every stock, every index, there will be two levels: buy above and sell below. If the market crosses buy above, you can have the stop loss of sell below. If the market crosses sell below, you can have stop loss of that value which is on there on buy above, right? Or you can maintain the stop loss. Suppose example, here the market is breaking around buy above. What will be my stop loss? This is my swing, last swing, and this low will be my stop loss, right? So perfect analysis. Now going to the, so let me explain with you more example, right? So this is my Telegram channel. You can join that. Now if you see here on 21 May, we calculated two levels for the crude oil 5382. Clearly the buy above 5400 and sell below 5363. Then for natural gas also we calculated level. Yeah, so it is around when the market open. Now Nifty as well for 24744, right, we calculated. So guys, now we have moved towards the point where we are actually checking whether the setup is working or not, right? Now if you see, similarly for stocks also we have calculated the levels, right? So this is all. And then going further, let's see what was the, this is the Bitcoin level also we have calculated for 21 May, right? And then yeah, stocks levels also we have calculated levels, correct? And buy bonds. So yeah, all these levels calculated around even the market open. And then going further, I will tell you, like, see the performance. The natural gas above crossing 295 300 done, that we have done. Then below 5363, if you have seen, right, the Bitcoin was sell below 53, sorry, the crude oil was sell below 5363, right? Just a minute. Yeah, so it was sell below 5363, and how much low it had made, correct? On that day it fall up to 5145, right? It has made a low of 5145. So see the performance, low made 5292. Then Muthoot Finance on breaking of 2043 on upside, it has given a target of 2093, which is 50 rupees point up from here. Then for Bell as well, right? Let me show. For Bell as well, on breaking of 372, it had made a high of 390 on that day. And then for the Bicon as well, right, for breaking of 338 341, right? So all these levels work on 21 May. Now going towards the next day, right? Next day also we calculated the level for crude oil, which was buy above 5311 and sell below 5274. Then natural gas we calculated. Then all the stocks levels we have calculated. And then for 22nd May, if you see, sell below 524694, and on this day the Nifty has made a low of 24450, right? It has even not crossed this buy above, the sell below level got activated and it made a low of 24450. So there are many occurrences, guys, right, where you see, as of now, nowhere I have feel like it has taken a stop loss. But again, I will say nothing is perfect in the market. But even if system works 60% time for you, right, that will be very useful. That will be very useful, right? So I hope you understood. In the morning, I mean, whenever the market open, you will get two levels: buy above and sell below. You can maintain your stop loss as per your risk appetite, and the same thing you have to follow. You don't need to stick to a system for a lifetime. Now see, this is about the system. Now going further, how you can improve. Suppose if it goes below, sell below, but you don't want to have that stop loss, then what comes important thing? What are the best strike prices you choose, right? If you choose a proper strike price, then definitely you can avoid that thing as well. You don't need to maintain a stop loss if your strike price is the proper one. And how we are going to identify the strike price, what strike price we can sell, correct? That I teach in my advanced option selling concept. That is the part of different thing, which is a option selling, right? Where comes into the picture the 360-degree analysis. So This is what, guys. If you like it, you know, so if you like it, like and subscribe to the channel. Even join my Telegram where you will get the updates about the level. And yeah, stay tuned for more learning. That's it. Thank you all.